Calling all outdoor enthusiasts, get ready for the next generation of adventure companions, the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. As rumors swirl and leaks surface, let's take a closer look at what this powerhouse smartwatch might bring to your next trek, climb, or wild escapade. Built to endure, engineered to empower, the Fenix series has always been synonymous with ruggedness, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to uphold that legacy. Whether you're braving scorching deserts or freezing mountain peaks, this watch is built to take on the toughest conditions. Don't worry about babying it. The Fenix 8 Pro can handle the bumps and scrapes that come with pushing your limits in the wild. Solar power for endless exploration. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Fenix 8 Pro is the potential for solar charging across all models. This could be a game changer for adventurers venturing off the beaten path. Imagine conquering multi-day hikes or epic bikepacking trips without worrying about finding a charger. With the sun's power on your wrist, the Fenix 8 Pro could become your reliable companion for longer expeditions. Garmin might also be aiming to improve solar charging efficiency and battery management to squeeze even more juice out of those precious sunbeams. Keeping a close eye on your health. The Fenix 7 Pro introduced the impressive Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, and it's expected to make a return in the Fenix 8 Pro. This sensor has been praised for its accuracy in tracking your heart health, providing valuable insights into your performance and overall well-being. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or simply focused on staying active, the Fenix 8 Pro could be your trusted health monitor on the go. But that might not be all. Rumors suggest Garmin might be adding even more advanced health tracking features, including an ECG sensor for in-depth heart health monitoring. This could be a major selling point for those who prioritize a holistic approach to fitness and well-being. Beyond the basics, a feature frenzy for every adventure. The Fenix series is known for its extensive features, and the Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be no exception. Here are some possibilities to keep your eyes peeled for. Dive deeper. Scuba enthusiasts might rejoice at the potential inclusion of built-in depth sensors, turning the Fenix 8 Pro into a comprehensive dive computer for underwater exploration. Map mania. Getting lost in the wilderness is no fun. The Fenix 8 Pro might offer more readily available maps on your wrist, allowing you to navigate unfamiliar territories with confidence. Workout warriors. A wider range of activity modes could be introduced, catering to a broader spectrum of athletic disciplines. Whether you're a cyclist, a rock climber, or a yogi, the Fenix 8 Pro might have the perfect mode to track your progress. The race for the ultimate adventure watch. Garmin has a history of keeping its product launches under wraps, but whispers suggest a potential release sometime in late summer or early fall of 2024. This strategic timing could position the Fenix 8 Pro ahead of the curve, particularly with rumors swirling about the Apple Watch Ultra potentially launching in September. With its focus on extended battery life, advanced health tracking, and unmatched durability, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro seems poised to redefine the adventure smartwatch landscape. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor athlete or weekend warrior, this watch could be the ultimate companion for your next wild pursuit. So keep your eyes peeled and your gear bags packed. The Fenix 8 Pro might be just around the corner, ready to fuel your next adventure.